Meet the immortal jellyfish, a creature that defies aging forever. This tiny jellyfish can revert to its juvenile form, a true marvel. When faced with danger, it can escape death by starting anew. Scientists are fascinated by its unique ability to reverse its life cycle. Could this jellyfish hold the key to breakthroughs in human medicine? Its incredible regeneration raises questions about life and death itself. The immortal jellyfish challenges our understanding of aging and mortality. Join us as we explore the fascinating world of this extraordinary creature. Discover how this jellyfish could inspire new paths in longevity research. The immortal jellyfish is a symbol of nature's incredible resilience.